Hello guys, today I will show you the best Sketchware library code for you. But before we start, take your time for 5 seconds to click the subscribe button so every time I upload a new video you will see it first. So now let's get started. As you can see here guys, this is the only one Java library code created from Sketchware that have powerful syntax highlighting. So you can learn the code easily. As you can see up here guys, this app contains 193 code and you should try them all. You also can search the code you want easily and fast by clicking up here the search button and type the code whatever you want. For example, I will type a pop-up menu. As you can see here, we found 5 codes for pop-up menu. And if you scroll down here, you will find a pop-up menu with icon and you can customize its location here. You can customize its location here, and yeah, you can copy this code easily by clicking here. Okay, yeah, copy it to clipboard. It's as you can see, and this application have a tool here, but this tool is for admin use only. If you want to break the code, you can't, because this is for admin use only. Yeah, if you scroll down here guys, there's a lot more cool codes inside this app and you should try this yourself. And please tell me what you feel in the comment section below. And if you have a question, feel free to write your question below and I will try to answer your question. You can find the download link below in the description. And yeah, so thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video.